setting up your Wi-Fi and app. There's nothing better than having control over your connected home, except perhaps for being able to do it all from the palm of your hand. That's why the app features everything you need to manage your home or small business Wi-Fi connectivity experience. Best of all, you can install it yourself and be up and running within a few minutes. Shall we begin? With your system connected, you can get started with the app by simply downloading it from either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store.